Hi there, as usual it's me, just a voiceover. You're watching Review Machines, and again, it's the new ATV show. The most interesting offroaders are waiting for us. Let's go! I'm so glad to see you here again, my friends. If you are new here, let me tell you a few words about the event. It's the annual show, where we will see various all-terrain vehicles. There are numerous different machines, but we will try to pick out the most exciting of them and make a brief reviews. Well, we have a lot of things to do, so it's time to begin. Let's go! As we can see, the show is becoming more and more popular. There are so many people, and there are so many various vehicles. And sometimes it's pretty hard to pick out some of them and drop the others. First of all, we will focus on the newest machines that you couldn't have seen before. And we start with VENOM ATVs. They attract much attention due to their bright design. Well, as to me, it's even too bright. This model is called VENOM Cobra. It's a quad-type ATV. There is Toyota engine, 1.8 liters capacity, automatic transmission, all-wheel drive with diff locks, low-pressure huge tires, hydraulic power steering and advanced suspension with 50 cm travel. Even more interesting that the ATV comes complete with off-roading electric bike. There is even a special fastening system for it. Definitely this bike can be used like a scout in distant expeditions. Next to it we see one more impressive vehicle. Again, it's a quad-type ATV, but the design is more standard. The specs are similar: Toyota engine, 1.8 liters capacity, 132 HP, the axles are from Suzuki Jimny and hydraulic steering. This is the newest ATV, which is called Taktik. This is an ATV with an articulated frame. There are two sections of the frame. There is Suzuki engine, 1.3 liters capacity with automatic transmission. The axles are also from Suzuki. There are pneumatic diff locks of the front and rear axles. We see here a comfy cabin with a heater and good trim. There are 2 seats in the cabin and up to 8 seats in the rear passenger section. We should note it has only rear leaf spring suspension. The maximum speed is stated 90 km per hour. One more quad-type ATV, which is called the Boar. It's interesting that the full suspension system here is taken from Mitsubishi, so it should be comfortable and reliable. The frame is made of steel tube. The body panels are made of plastic. The engine is Honda, 100 HP, 1.3 liters capacity, working with automatic transmission. The axles are from Suzuki, with automatic diff locks. The diameter of the wheels is 1250 mm. This new offroader is made by the same man who created well-known Sherpa ATV. It's Alexei Garagashyan, and his new vehicle is called AG34. This is heavy-duty pickup truck for the severest conditions. It's able to take forts up to 2 meters depth. Then it has the central system of tires inflation. It's able to change the tires pressure while moving. There are 8 seats for passengers and 2 seats in the cabin. It's equipped with 240 HP engine. The stated maximum speed is 120 km per hour. In fact, it's very minimalistic and simple vehicle. There is nothing unnecessary here. And this is a tracked armchair. It can be used both for recreational purposes and for persons with disabilities, but mostly it's designed for recreational uses. It has a perfect off-roading capability and it provides plenty emotions. There are two electric motors, 2000 watts power each. The possible maximum speed is 50 km per hour, but it's limited up to 25, cause it may be dangerous. This is quite a peculiar airboat. The newest model, which is called Raptor EAR 650. And the most interesting, it has an electric underbody airflow. There are still no any analogs in the world. It's equipped with 280 HP Honda engine. The carrying capacity is 6 people. The electric motor has 5 kW power. EAR system provides higher speed, less fuel consumption, better handling. It will be very exciting to make a full-scale review of this boat. Check it later on this channel, guys. This huge ATV is called Huntsman. It's a classic all-terrain vehicle with a standard design. There is a diesel engine, 135 HP, mechanical gearbox, leaf spring suspension and disc brakes. It's a heavy-duty all-seasonal vehicle for hard conditions of use. The carrying capacity is 1 ton, 8 people can sit here, and there are 3 sleeping berths. This ATV is ready for distant expeditions. It has 200 liters fuel tank, so the range is about 1000 kilometers. As to this ATV, it looks not so bright, but actually it's the most capable vehicle. It's based on patented integrated frame. As a result, the machine is able to handle the extreme loads. At the same time, it's quite lightweight, and the vehicle can easily float. The other features: it has the lowest gravity center in the class, the advanced suspension system that provides smooth travels, simple and reliable 80 HP gas engine working together with the mechanical gearbox, the hydraulic power steering. The diameter of the wheels is 1300 mm. I couldn't miss this peculiar vehicle. It's Chinese Beijing BAW, produced in 1970s. It's a rare amphibious vehicle made for Chinese army. It's able to cross water areas even in stormy weather. Besides, it has a decent off-roading capabilities. The vehicle is equipped with diesel engine, 100 HP, 2.7 liters capacity. The maximum speed is 80 km per hour on the ground and up to 20 on water due to the screw propeller. This one is called Athlet. It's a new model, but here we again see the quad-type ATV. As we can see, such machines are getting more and more popular nowadays. The vehicle is equipped with Toyota engine, 109 HP, with automatic transmission ASIN. The axles are from Toyota 4-wheeler with diff locks. The wheels are 1200 mm diameter. The tires with bed locks and hydraulic power steering. I should say pretty standard solutions, but the ATV looks very interesting. This time it's a classic type of ATV that is called Trim Travel. The vehicle is based on steel frame. There are 2 seats at the front and 5 in the rear compartment. The total payload is 800 kilos. There is Toyota engine, 109 HP, and you can choose either auto transmission or mechanical one. There is spring suspension at the front and leaf spring from behind. The axles are from 4-wheeler. The stated maximum speed is 55 km per hour, and there is modification ready for long expeditions. Let me introduce the company Billis Garage and their newest ATV, which is called Max. Actually, this vehicle can be built either with diesel engine or with electric motors, depending on the customer request. Moreover, you can choose the modifications. It can be with a passenger cabin or with cargo platform. Besides, it has numerous comfortable options and very good trim level. It's an exciting ATV, and soon we will make a full-scale review of it. Stay tuned. This is the newest ATV, which is called Shatun, and it's presented for the first time at this show. How do you like the exterior, guys? It looks awesome to my mind, impressive and solid. But it would be more interesting to see how it's cutting its way through the cross-country. We see here a new type of tires, and the whole body is made of durable plastic. By the way, it has both articulated frame and skid steering system. Here we see DP Labs company and their newest ATV products. They are in the field of creating innovative electric vehicles, like these two prototypes. The first one is this lightweight electric truck that has 6 driving wheels. By the way, it can accelerate up to 100 km per hour just in 4 seconds. The total payload is 2 tons. Also, we can see here new electric quad ATV, but it's still a prototype and the main characteristics are still unknown. The Siberian ATV that is called Taipan. It's a floating vehicle on huge low-pressure tires. It's very easy to handle the machine due to the hydraulic steering and automatic transmission. It's equipped with Toyota 109 HP engine. The vehicle is based on heavy-duty frame and there is the leaf spring suspension. The ATV can accommodate up to 6 people and there are 2 sleeping bears. The ATV Fenix. The vehicle is designed for use in the far northern regions. It can move in the severe conditions and carry up to 700 kilos. The ATV is equipped with gas 98 HP engine that works together with automatic transmission. The stated fuel consumption of the ATV is only 7 liters per hour. There is a central system of tire inflation. The pressure in the wheels can be adjusted while moving. It's legal for public roads and the maximum speed is 55 km per hour. Well, my friends, I showed you the main new machines exhibited at this show. The most interesting of them you will see on this channel later. We'll make thorough tests and full-scale reviews. So stay tuned, guys. And consider watching another video about tough ATV battle. Stay with us, there will be many more interesting materials here. Goodbye.